Here is your perfect suburban community. Nestled in the serene inland Avenue Maria community lays this Lakeview single-family home. This 2019 open-plan home presents features such as upgraded granite countertops in the kitchen and all baths, upgraded kitchen cabinets with crown molding on the top and bottom of the cabinets, tiled flooring on a diagonal in the living area downstairs, and an enlarged paver driveway with an attached garage. The master suite includes a walk-in closet, his and her sinks, and a spacious frameless walk-in shower. Improvements include extended pavers on the lanai with a fence, an awning on the back patio, a Culligan water softener and water filter, and a new air handler fan. This family-friendly community is known as SWFL's fastest-growing community that caters to those who want the convenience of a big town but with a small-town feel. Avenue Maria features an array of amenities throughout its 4,000 acres that include several parks, barbecue grills, a brewery, pickleball courts, basketball courts, a calisthenic outdoor gym, an indoor fitness center, championship golf, miles of hiking/biking trails, a water park, and much more.